how to scale STL files. So we are back with the Baby Yoda submodel. Today we are gonna talk about scaling. So let's see, scaling. I will go to Start, Shape, Digital Shape Editor, and I will import the same model, so it's a Baby Yoda sub. If you want to download this model, I will put the link in the description. So this will be the 3D model. Now, if you have watched my previous video regarding automatic surface, there I talk about elements regarding analysis. So if we go to information, we can see that the dimensions for this model are listed over here. So how do we scale it? We can go up to Insert, Transformation. Over here we have Scaling. So with scaling we need to select the element, then we need to define a reference. Over here you can right click and define a new point and set that position to the origins like this, and after that you can scale it. So maybe we want to scale it 2 times, so we will go with a ratio of 2 and we will have the new scaled model. But how would we proceed if you want to have it scaled but at the same time not be a uniform scale? So to do that you will go to Insert, Transformation, and underneath Scaling there's a tool called Affinity. So basically Affinity integrates scaling. If you will keep all the elements set to all the ratios set to 1, will be just like scaling. So again I will select Affinity Definition, element will be my STL file. The origin, I will define again a new point in the origin, so the new point will be over there, and I will want to scale it only on the z-axis, so I want to make it larger, only on make it on the height, so 1.5 on z-axis. I will hit preview, and this will be the scale model. Now they are overlapped because one is the Affinity and the other one is the original Baby Yoda sub. So now I have the possibility, if I want to move it only the Affinity, I can define a copy of it. So I will right click, go to copy, and after that I will do a paste special. So within the paste special I will go as a result, and if you select the STL file and you paste it as a result, you will have this element, cloud of points. And I can rename that. So I will hide the initial Affinity. I will rename the cloud of points by pressing, okay, so it's not F2. I will go like this with properties, features, and I will call it Affinity 1.5 on z-axis. And after that I can go and right click on the compass, set it to snap automatically to selected. Then I will click on this Affinity and let's drag the scale Yoda somewhere over here. So I have the initial one and the scale one. You can do the same and you can start to deform the 3D model if you like. So let's see, maybe make it a little bit wider. So let's go to the initial Baby Yoda, Insert, Transformation, Affinity, and we are gonna scale it on the first 2 axes by 1.5, but at the same time I will not increase his height, so it will remain on Z only at 1. I will hit preview, and now we will have this Baby Yoda that is shorter and much larger. And again I have this Affinity. If I want to be able to easily manipulate only this model, I can do a copy, paste special. I do this because if I try to manipulate the Affinity model, so like this, and if I will drag it, I will see that there are some elements associated with that, so it will be the initial STL file. So it's better to do that copy paste. So this, I will want to copy the model, go over here, paste special as a result, and I can just hide the second affinity. So now I have this model, I can rename it, properties, affinity on X and I by 1.5. And again, I can reactivate the compass, select it, and let's drag this baby Yoda over here. So this is how you can work with scaling and non-uniform scaling in Catia V5 when working with STL files. So I hope that you find this video useful. So please feel free to leave me some comments in the section. Usually if I have comments with various aspects and problems from Catia, I will create a video for those. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy this content.